So, born and raised in St. Catherine, our guest now has journeyed to Cayman to make waves in the hair industry. Dr. Julian Richards Miller is a trichologist and owner of Beyond the Veil Hair Studio. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
Thank you so much, Noel. Nice to have me. I'm good.
It is fantastic to have you. Tell me when you left us, and you had a hair salon here in Jamaica, didn't you? So, tell me what went on before you left us.
Yes, I had a salon in Jamaica back in the years, and then I wanted to leave because I wanted to invest more and to be more explorer.
Yeah. So you went to Cayman Islands, and did you just continue where you left off, or you had to start over from scratch and do all kinds of different things? How was it for you to start your business there?
I had to start from scratch because I ended up being on a work permit. And then while being on a work permit, they found me very qualified. And then I started to become the manager for the salon. And that's where I grow because, my professionalism and so on, they said, well, then I've seen where you've worked hard enough. And that's where I grew from.
Who is a trichologist? What does that person do?
A trichologist is someone that takes care of the scalp disorder, especially alopecia, and I must say Jada has raised the bar for trichologists now. So, yes, we take care of alopecias,
Yep.
all the scalp disorders.
Yep. Why the fascination with the hair and fixing hair and doing hair in the first place? Where did that come from?
I love beauty. I love beauty. When I was much smaller, whenever they have weddings or anything, I would always go in the community and try to fix everybody up to try to, make them look more beautiful for their weddings and so on. It was a passion, and it was something in me that really brings out the beauty because I love beauty and I
Yep.
love fashion.
And who taught you to do this? So you couldn't just get up and I love beauty, but I can't fix nobody here and all kinds of stuff. So who taught you to do that?
No one, no one. It's just something that I love. And then afterward, I went to school. So being there in Jamaica, I enrolled myself back into school. And after enrolling into school, that is where I started to pursue it.
And you now have a doctorate in looking after people's hair.
Well, this is something that I really love. And so, what it cost me to go further with this, to be a trichologist, I remember having some clients that always come to me that have alopecia, but I did not know how to detect the different type of alopecia, but I know it was alopecia. And what chose me into being a trichologist is just that I remember having a client and she came and she said to me that, I don't want you to put my face towards the mirror. And I said, why? She said, no, I don't want you to. And each time she comes, she would say that. And I said, why? And at one point when she said that, she said to me, I don't want to see myself because I look like an alien. And it broke my heart. And I went outside of my private room and I cried. I could not let my clients see that I was crying. But it broke my heart and I started crying and I went back in and I make it up in my mind and I said, no, I have to do something to take care of the people that are having these problems. And so I decided to pursue and move forward.
What's alopecia?
In that time. Alopecia is a condition that causes small patches. It starts, sometimes it is noticeable, sometimes it is not noticeable, but afterward it will be noticeable. So it becomes a bald spot. So it's a condition that your immune system, your immune system, it's with the hair follicles. And so because of that, it causes your hair to loss.
Oh, okay. I know a lot of Jamaicans live in the Cayman Islands. Is that your clientele, or everyone comes? People from Cayman, Jamaicans? Who's your clientele?
Well, actually, I have clientele from everywhere that comes to me. I have clientele that flew in from the United States that comes to me. I have clientele from everywhere from India. So I have a wide clientele here.
Okay. Did you give up the shop out here, or is someone running it for you?
No, I gave it up. I
Okay.
gave it up at the point. What I did, I had leased it out at first, and then when I leased it up, my dad said, no, you have to come and take it back over because it wasn't running the way it was. And I love to have an upscale salons. So then I close it and then I move forward.
Fantastic. You come home often, or is Cayman home now?
Cayman is home for me.
All right.
Cayman is
So
home.
you come to Jamaica often?
Not too often.
Okay. All
Not too
right.
often because my mom is living here with me. My father passed away
I'm sorry.
years ago.
I'm
My
sorry.
mom is living here with me, and my dad passed away years
Yeah.
ago. So then I have that on my shoulder to take care of my mom.
Yeah,
So
man.
I'm here with her.
Anyone you want to say hi to before you go?
I just want to say hi to all of my clients in the Cayman Islands worldwide. And they should look forward to see chains of salon and chains of trichologist clinics. And actually, upcoming now, I'm trying to do a clinic for trichologists, for a trichologist clinic. So I just want to say hello to my friends, my family, my daughter, Tanjana, my grandson, my daughter, Yada, and my mom. Naomi Richards. And I just want to say, even though my dad passed away, a lot of people know him. That is Mr. James Richards. They call him One and James in Old Harbor,
All
or
right.
One, or Ride On.
Yeah,
So, and I
man.
want to say hi to my brother Carvin.
Yeah, man.
Carvin Richards, that's right there.
Great to see you. Great to see you.
Thank you so much.
And congrats on what you have done thus far. And I know you still have so much more that you're going to do. God bless you and the family. Say hi to your mom for us, all
Thank
right?
you so much. No.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
I will.
Yeah, man. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Trichologist and owner of Behind the Veil Hair Studio in the Cayman Islands, Dr. Julianne Richards Miller. After this break, folks, we highlight a few of Jamaica's national treasures. Soon come. Stay with us, please.